2069. So we decided to build a real case scenario. There are four of us, four different people in 2016. So I start the day, a 24-hour day, in one day in 2069. So in 2069, I have mastered my biology. I don't need sleep anymore, so I don't sleep. So instead, I am in a deep state of being. And I wrote a poem here. I'm waiting for the sun, my teacher, rising gloriously, doing her best self, me and the sun, listening to what burns deeply in me. The sun and me, full communion. I start today with a knowing that I am part of life. And I watch the sun basically gloriously starting the day.
And then it's midday. We're thinking about going out. Is it necessary? No, it's not. You could organize everything out of your flat, but we are still feeling we want to go out. So we changed our cities. Now there are less buildings, there are much more trees. Because in 2019 we recognized we have to plant trees. Now they are already big, and so they give much shadow. And if you go out there in the streets, there is water, because we discovered there are rivers, small rivers along the pavements. You can eat food there, because there is you can grow food in the streets or on patches which are green. So then it's late again. It's getting later.
It's getting later. I have time for myself. I can sit down in my living room, just envision what I want to do. There will be a screen. All the possibilities, listening to music, reading a book, injecting some new knowledge into my brain. It's just coming, and then it's there. Then I can do it.
It's coming to the end of the day. In the evening, I get the intention and the motivation to interact with people from anywhere in the world, like a push of a button. So if I want to connect with you and you in the US, and I want to meet you personally and really want to feel and explore the world together with you, I'm able to touch you, to get in connection with you, and the meetings will be very, very easily possible. So social interaction will be not a question of planning, long time planning. It will be a question of short time, pushing the button and interact with people I like to explore the world, to maybe to get in contact with new people with the same interests and me. So
Time's up. Thank you.
thank you.